My name's Keith Crowell. I'm a journeyman plumber, steam fitter, pipe fitter, gas fitter, and today I'm here to talk about the plumber trade. The plumber trade involves using blueprints to design, install, and maintain potable water systems, drainage systems, possibly hot liquids and gases in houses, apartment buildings, commercial and industrial applications. Training involves 4 terms of technical training at either a privately funded or publicly funded post-secondary training provider. Plumbers on a day-to-day basis will work on potable water and drainage systems ranging from residential through to industrial applications. They may also work on gas systems or hot liquid systems at a commercial or industrial level. When working as a plumber, it is necessary to have fairly good agility, the ability to think outside of the box, to do troubleshooting, and in new installations to work around other trades, work with blueprints, work with other sketches as provided by either the homeowner or the building engineer. The work environment for a plumber could involve everything from working in a ditch that's muddy all the way through to working on very expensive flooring and carpeting in an extremely expensive house. The best part of being a plumber is the satisfaction of walking away knowing that your customer has a plumbing system that is working efficiently and effectively.
In this activity, you will be measuring pipe, cutting pipe, attaching pipe. We have safety gloves, and the reason we should be wearing safety gloves is because, you know, when you're working with tools and equipment, you can get your hands scratched and everything, and that'll be protective of your fingers, your hands, and whatever you may be doing. Going next, we got safety glasses. These are just put on your head without any other glasses. And you can go over your regular glasses if you're wearing glasses, which are just slip over all your regular glasses. And we have a different couple types of ear protection that you should be wearing.
To assemble our PVC pipe project, our first step is to measure the length of pipe required for the project. In this example, we're going to measure a piece 5 inches long. I'm going to use a shorter piece of pipe so we don't use long materials. We'll place the tape measure on the end. We'll hold that and we will mark it like so. For the second part of the project, we're going to need to cut the piece of pipe that we've previously marked. We're going to use a miter box, and we will take this miter box and fasten it to our workstation. In this case, we're using 2 C-clamps. Once we have the miter box fastened in place, we'll put on our gloves, protect our hands. Keep in mind that the saw is very sharp and you can actually nick your fingers pretty easily with it. So once you've got your gloves on, they're not going to look like mine. We'll take the piece of pipe where we've marked. We're going to set it in the miter box so that it lines up with the straight cut. We're going to use the miter box saw, and it will set in these slots to give us a nice 90-degree cut, and we will start to cut. Once we've cut through, we should have 2 pieces, and the cut piece should have a nice square end. We will now take the piece of pipe that we've just cut, and we will add a fitting to it and we will continue to build our marble wall as instructed. For this, we will insert the piece of tube into the fitting, push it in tight. Once that's done, we can continue to add fittings and pieces of pipe to build whatever configuration of a marble wall we would like to build. Once you've completed your project, you can have a race against one of your schoolmates to see which one of your projects will win the race with the ball bearing. Once you've completed your project, please disassemble all of the pipe and fittings and return it to your teacher for use by other students. Thank you. That concludes our plumbing activity. Please have fun with the rest of your skills exploration days.